Quickly draw a few puffy cloud shapes on your paper using a pencil or marker. Start by drawing a big smiley line. That's the happy beginning of your rainbow. And draw another line. Where do rainbows come from? The answer is, as raindrops in sunshine dance together, a vibrant rainbow emerges in the sky, painting a brief but enchanting arc of color. Let's color. Red. Let's dive into drawing the first layer of our rainbow using a vibrant red color. Grab your red coloring tool, whether it's a crayon, colored pencil, or marker, and fill in the first section of the rainbow with a bold and beautiful red. Go. You've just created the vibrant red layer of your rainbow. Yellow. Now, we'll create the second layer using a cheerful yellow. Take your yellow coloring tool and fill in the second section of the rainbow with a bright and sunny yellow. This option adds a dynamic touch to your rainbow, giving it a subtle shift in color. Let's keep the rainbow rolling with a lush green for the third layer. Pick a vibrant green color and fill in the third section of the rainbow with the freshness of greenery. Blue. Fantastic choice! Let's bring the calming blues into the fourth layer of our rainbow. Orange. Let's add a touch of vibrant orange to the clouds surrounding our rainbow. Coloring tool and gently color the edges of the clouds with a warm orange hue. This adds a playful and sunny touch. Purple. Let's add a dreamy touch to our rainbow scene with a purple cloud and wrap up the coloring. Take your purple coloring tool and gently color the edges of the new cloud with a lovely shade of purple. Now, your rainbow masterpiece is complete with a touch of purple magic in the clouds. See you in the next video.